So what's up, you guys? This is gonna be pretty much a video on how to get free PSP games. So first, what you wanna do is open up your web browser, as I do right here. Go to pspmafia.com. Once there, go where it says navigation. Go down to where it says categories, and it'll say games. Right there, click on games. Just let it load. Sorry if you guys hear the dogs barking in the back. Sorry about that. So right here, you can search for the game that you want, or you can just search through the big list that they have. I'm just gonna go with this one. Some are ISO and some are CSO. ISO, what it is it's like the full game. CSO is just like a smaller version of the ISO. So if you want to save memory on your PSP or memory stick or whatever, what I suggest doing is search this program right here. Hold on. Search. Search this program called PSP ISO Compressor. And what that does is it minimizes the size of the game and puts it into a smaller file so you have more room on your memory stick. So if you don't have like a really big memory stick or with a lot of memory, then what I suggest doing is just doing what I told you to do, and you should be good. So back to the downloading. Usually on this, it is always be deposit files, and what you do is you click where I clicked right there where it said free download, and let it download, or let it. You should just wait like 60 seconds. After that, it'll come up with download the file, and it'll say this. And as you can see, this is the ISO, so it says .rar. So what I'm gonna do is open it. So I'm gonna just wait. It's gonna take. I don't know, my computer's kind of slow, so depending on your computer speed, that's how long it's gonna take. But right now, my computer's kind of activated and it's going kind of slow. So once it's done, once you have like a ISO or CSO, if you have a CSO, you don't have to do what I'm about to do. If you have a CSO, for example, like this, FIFA 10, I got this as a CSO. So what you do is you open up this. You open up the ISO. Then it should say the game, or whatever the game name is. And then at the end, the extension should say .iso. If it does not say .iso and it says .cso, there's no need for this, as I said. So what you do is you extract it to wherever you can find it. Now, I already extracted it, so I'm not gonna do that because it takes forever, and I just don't wanna feel like going through all that. So then I have the game right here. As you can see, it says it should have this UMD data underscore data.bin. If it does not have that, this game will not work. I'm sorry. And it should always have this folder named PSP underscore game. Okay. After that is done, after you extracted the ISO file to wherever you can find it, go into the PSP ISO compressor that I told you to get. After that's done, click where it says compress ISO to CSO. Right there, and then go to input files. And then search for the FIFA 10. Let's see, I think I have it in here. Do I have it in here? Yes, I do. Okay. Click on the file. From there, it should say that, okay, blah, blah, blah. What you want to do is you can save it back to your desktop. That's what I'm going to do. Save it to my desktop so it's easy for me to find. You can change the name, but I don't recommend it. I just leave it how it is. Leave the compression level alone. The best compression is 9. Leave that alone. Leave everything that you see here alone. Just press compress. Then this should pop up. Then on your desktop or wherever you saved it, should pop up a file, and it should have like a blank page, something like that, a blank page with nothing on it. After this is finished compressing where it says compress and then it says %, I'm gonna exit out because I already did it, so I can delete that. So after that is done, then you should have something like this that says .cso. Check if it has .cso on it. usually they would say it. But if yours is like a long game and it says it won't show up, then what you do is just click over it and it should say CSO where it says type, and it should say CSO file. So then how to print it on your PSP is another story, and I'm gonna teach you that right now also. So this is kind of like a 2-in-1 video, because a lot of people would have like 2 parts for this or whatever. But nah, I just put it in just one video, so that's easy for you guys. So what you do is you get your PSP, you get your USB cable. Pick your USB cable up to your PSP. Wait for your PSP to load. Go to USB connection. Again, you need custom firmware for this. Just to let you guys know. I'm just waiting for my thing to load. Okay. Once you're in USB connection, something should pop up that says autoplay. Once that pops up that says autoplay, click on open folder to view files. If it doesn't pop up, don't worry. Just go to your computer and then click on where it says your memory stick, or where your PSP is at. From there, you should have an ISO folder in there if you have custom firmware already. If not, just create one. Just go to new folder and just name it ISO. It has to be capital I, capital S, capital O though. So it has to be like this. Once that's done, as you can see, I already have FIFA 10 in there. All you do is just go where your game is. Mine is in my PSP stuff. Oh. Once that's done, just drag the game that you downloaded, drag it into there. They should work. If they don't work, look for another one, because maybe the people that cracked it or hacked it or whatever to work in custom firmware, maybe they're not doing it correctly and it won't work. So what you have to do is just find another one. They're not that hard to find because there's a lot of people that have them, depending on what game you're looking for. And you can always go back to the website and check for updates. They always have updates coming up. So like this one was like this is the newest one. So they always have the newest games at the top. So you don't have to worry for looking for the newest games. They're always at the top. So rate, subscribe, comment, tell me what you think about the video, and tell me if you guys had any success. If you guys need any help, message me or comment to me, and I will do the best to help you guys. Yeah, later.